guys, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to all my subscribers. What's up, y'all? Today's video is another collab with my beautiful ladies of beauty over 40. Today's collab is called Would You Rather, and we're just answering several questions. It's pretty fun, so make sure you go ahead and check their links out after this video, and their looks they created and their questions that they're answering. I put their links below, and here are the clips of the looks. Give you a little glimpse of the looks that they done before you check out the video.
She just need a plan, wanna take 2 sticks and ride, wanna go with the man, they moving like professionals.
So yeah, enjoy the video and the questions that I answered. Enjoy the video, guys. Hey y'all, so I'm going for a soft glam today. Nothing bold. but yeah, so starting with the questions. I already have on my primer. This is the primer I used, the No Problem Prime Essence. Y'all can see that. I always want to start off with a primer. Okay, so these are the Would You Rather questions that I'm doing with the Beauty Over 40 lady. These are my Revlon Color Stay Foundation in Caramel. So question number 1. It said, would you rather have mascara, eyeliners, lipsticks, and lip glosses, or lose all of your palettes and eyeshadows? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Let me think. I say I would rather have mascaras, eyeliners, lipsticks, and lip glosses, because that's a lot. I'd rather lose all my palettes and eyeshadows. That being said, because I can still, makeup is versatile. I can still use my lipsticks and stuff on my eyes if I want to color. So yeah, I always want to keep your lips hydrated. I have dry lips, so I'm gonna need something for my lips. Okay, just blending that out. These are the 2 concealers that I'm using, the Revolution Conceal and Define and the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in medium beige. So it's these 2. Okay, question number 2. Would you rather chop off all your hair or never be able to cut it again? Well, I don't know. Because as you can see, I like to my haircut. But are they talking about cutting it bald or just a chop like this? If it's a chop like this, I'd rather chop it. But if it's bald, I don't know how I look bald. So I say, so I think it's talking about bald, so I would say never be able to cut it again. I usually use this concealer first, closer to my skin tone, just to wear up under the e.l.f. camo, because that highlight color is a little bit too light for me. It's really pretty, but it's like real light, so I usually put this one on first and then the e.l.f. Okay, question number 3. Would you rather have a coral cheek or a pink cheek? I would prefer coral. Coral goes better with my skin tone. Okay, number 4. If you had $1,000 to spend, would you rather buy clothes or makeup? Well, actually, I have enough clothes, so I'd rather buy makeup because I like doing like reviews and all that. And makeup, it expires, and then I use makeup on my clients, so I'm always going to use makeup. I'm always going to need makeup, so I say makeup for the win. Number 5. Would you rather apply lipstick as eyeliner or eyeliner as lipstick? Y'all know that answer. Y'all know I like to apply lipstick as a liner. That's my thing, so that's my answer. Using my Laura Mercier setting powder just to set under my eyes. Okay, number 6. Would you rather only shop at MAC or Sephora? Y'all should know that answer too. Sephora have more variety of makeup, and MAC is just MAC. It's just MAC. So Sephora is my answer. Sephora for the win. Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and Matte Tan. Okay, number 7. Would you rather only use one eyeshadow color or one lip color for the rest of your life? I would say one lip color, because with my shadows, I have to do different looks. Y'all know I like to do extravagant looks, so I'm gonna need my different colors. And I can, with that one lip color, I can mix my shadow pigment in that and make a color. Okay, number 8. Would you rather wear winter clothes in the summer or summer clothes in the winter? Let me think on that while I powder my face. Winter clothes in the summer, summer clothes in the winter. Okay, I would say I would rather wear summer clothes in the winter, because if you wear winter clothes in the summer, you're going to be very hot, and you can't I don't know, ain't no way around that. So if you wear summer clothes in the winter, what you can do is put on boots, coat, hat, all that. So yeah, summer clothes in the winter is my answer. Bronzer, Fenty Beauty, Sunstalker, and Caramel Cutie. Okay, so I'm going to use some setting spray so I won't walk around looking all powdery. So this is the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy, the Radiant Dew Spray. Okay, so the blush and the highlight I'm going to use is from my Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn palette, Havana Nights, and City Lights. Eyeliner, I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner in black. Okay, number 9, would you rather have Dark nails or bright nails all year round? So, what's my answer? Bright nails. I'd rather have bright nails all year round. I love bright nails. Like even in the winter time, sometimes I come with some bright pink, whatever. I just like bright colors. Too Faced better than Sex Mascara? Okay, question number 10. Would you rather give up your favorite lip product or your favorite eye product? I'll say eye product. My favorite lip product keeps my lips moisturized. Because like I said earlier, my lips are dry, so I would say eye product. Number 11, would you rather only be able to wear your hair in a ponytail or a messy bun? It really doesn't apply to me right now because I like my hair short. But when I had my hair long, I would say messy bun. So with this natural look, I want a lip that's gonna pop. So of course I'm gonna go with my Dope Queens Cosmetics. And this color is in Bad and Bougie. If y'all missed a review on these liquid lipsticks, please make sure you go check it out. Go check it out right after this video because these lipsticks are amazing, y'all. So we're on number 12. Would you rather never be able to paint your nails again or never use lip gloss? That I do not know. Cause I love lip gloss. Oh, I got my teeth. Cause I love lip gloss and I love nail color. But gotta have the lip gloss. I cannot go around with my lips crusty. Can't go around with my lips crusty. So, lip gloss for the win. Number 13. Would you rather shave your eyebrows and have none at all, or Sharpie them in every day? Oh, I would Sharpie them things in every day. I cannot go around with no eyebrows. That would look so crazy. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to Sharpie that in. I use a brown Sharpie. Okay. Oh, look at his lips, y'all. It's class for my shirt, but I'm changing shirts anyway. Amazing. Okay. So the last question, number 14. Would you rather live without makeup or nail polish? I would rather live without nail polish. Because I'm a makeup artist. I gotta have makeup. So, that's all the questions. It was pretty fun. So, that's all the questions. I hope you guys enjoyed. But I'm going to apply my strip lashes and my brows off camera and I will be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back with the completed look. This is a fun little collaboration with my ladies of Beauty Over 40. Make sure, don't forget to check out their links below and check out their videos and their looks they created and their questions. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.